Start.
Hello students. Today I will start another new video lectures for surveying related topics. That is compass survey. So let me explain about this surveying. Compass surveying means whatever we may discussed about the chain surveying process. Already we have covered. That is the chain surveying. That is only the linear measurements we have. And particularly when we will go for the angular measurements, just if linear means in a particular line, if another line just crosses that straight line, or if some lines that passes this line, some creating some angles, that is known as the compass survey for the angular measurement specially. That means not only the angles, but also we have to calculate the directions, angle with directions. That is we may easily find out, or we may easily discuss in that compass survey. That is angular measurements as well as the directions with angle of a particular lines, that is known as the compass survey. So let me explain. Please watch and see that I will discuss in a plain paper, and you easily understand that how to calculate and what are the fundamental parts of a compass survey. Okay. So we will discuss from that type compass surveying. We will start from this quadrant. So in that quadrant, that is the north, and that is the east, and that means west, and that is south. So whatever any line, that is, suppose one line we may consider here, that is A and B. Suppose that is not A, that is O. Here OA, here suppose that is OA line, OB line, OC line, and that is OD line. Suppose we have to calculate any in compass surveying, if we calculate the directions, we may consider from quadrant means that is from north. That is suppose angle OA. तो OA का मतलब that is the angle. What is the angle? That is OA. OA, that angle is that angle, suppose that is X. तो X का angle का मतलब north, X, east. That is the known as bearings. That is known as bearings. If only we consider suppose 60 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, then that is known as angles. If we consider north, 30 degree, east, that is known as bearings. तो bearing का मतलब क्या है? Angle with direction. Angle with direction, that is known as bearings. The bearings we may easily calculate in this compass survey. If we go for the OB, तो OB का इस लाइन में, तो if you consider in the quadrant level, then we consider suppose this is Y, and this Y we just write in that form, that is south Y east. That is the bearings. That is the bearings of OB line. Clear? Okay, we'll proceed towards the OC. तो OC का मतलब this side, फिर again से start होगा south से west. That means if this is Z, so this one is south, Z, west. That is the bearing of OC line. Clear my point? So that is all about the bearings. If we go for the, that is OD. So OD, suppose this one X and Y, this is Z, and suppose this one is alpha. So suppose this one is alpha. So alpha means this one is north, alpha, west. So north, alpha, west means that is the bearing of line OD. That is starting from north, so that any bearings we may find out in that form. That means just see here any bearings, that means we may find out, that means either suppose this type, that is north, that is east, west, south, that we may consider for quadrant bearing. तो क्वाड्रेंट का मतलब क्या है? दिस वन इज द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. दिस वन that means 4 quadrant 360 degree. So one quadrant having 90 degree, 90, 90, 90 and 90. So first quadrant का मतलब क्या है? ये है first quadrant. First quadrant, that is north to east. Second quadrant, that is north to west. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट क्या है? साउथ क्वाड्रेंट, दैट इज साउथ टू वेस्ट. फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट, दैट इज साउथ टू ईस्ट. दैट इज द 4 quadrant we here discussed about the quadrant. So the next part in this compass surveying will discuss about how to convert whole circle bearing to quadrant bearing and quadrant bearing to whole circle bearing. That is the basic fundamental parts that we discussed in that compass surveying. That means already that is known to you. Quadrant means north to east, या south to east, या south to west, या north to west. If we consider for the whole circle bearing, तो whole circle bearing का मतलब क्या है? Suppose this is north, this is east, that is west and that is south. तो whole circle bearing का मतलब क्या है? Suppose this is OA, this is OB, this is OC and this is OD. तो होल सर्कल का बेयरिंग का मतलब नॉर्थ से स्टार्ट होगा. जैसे कि व्हाट एवर एनी क्वाड्रेंट दिस लाइन इज लाइक दैट विल स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ. फर्स्ट वन इज नॉर्थ टू OA लाइन, सेकेंड वन इज नॉर्थ टू OB line, and the third one is north to OC line, and the fourth one is north to that is OD line. That we may consider that is all about the whole circle bearing. Then how can you convert from this whole circle bearing to क्वाड्रेंट बियरिंग? और क्वाड्रेंट बियरिंग का अदर नेम क्या है? द अदर नेम ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट बियरिंग इज आरबी. तो आरबी का मतलब क्या है? रिड्यूस बियरिंग. ओके, सो लेट मी फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट अबाउट द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. ओके, फॉर द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, इफ द होल सर्कल बियरिंग between 0 to 90 degree, if WCB equal to 0 to 90, then QB equal to WCB. WCB जहाँ भी अच्छी क्वाड्रेंट बियरिंग टा सेम होबो. Where? That means that in a 0 to 90 degree. Okay, that means whole circle bearing equal to quadrant bearing. Getting me or not? Next, we'll go for the if the whole circle bearing equal to 90 degree to 180 degree, then the quadrant bearing if the angle between 90 to 180, then what is the value? 90 to 180 का मतलब क्या है? That means we have to calculate this value. So this value how can you calculate? How can you calculate? The total is 180 degree. Total is 180 degree and that one is whole circle bearing. So QB equal to WCB minus 180. So that is the value of QB. Next we will go for the WCB equal to जदि रहिला if WCB in between 180 degree to 270 degree, then the QB, तो QB का मतलब साउथ टू वेस्ट, देन QB का मतलब दिस वन. तो दिस वन हाउ कैन यू फाइंड आउट? हाउ कैन यू फाइंड आउट दिस वन? दैट मीन्स कंप्लीट ये है होल सर्कल बियरिंग माइनस ये हो जाएगा 180. दैट मीन्स विल इजीली फाइंड आउट दिस. एंड द प्रीवियस वन इज दैट इज 180 minus WCB, and the current one is that is south to west, that we will calculate total, that is whole circle bearing minus 180 degree, then we will find out the quadrant bearing. And we will go for the last one. If the whole circle bearing is between 270 to 360, then QB, the QB equal to, suppose that one, so that one equal to how much? 360 minus whole circle bearing. That is the conversion from WCB to QB. Thank you.